Hi everyone. Plant taxonomy is the science that deals with identification, nomenclature, and classification of plants. In this session, we will discuss the characters of family Papilionaceae. The family Papilionaceae is commonly known as the pea family. About the systematic position, it belongs to the class Dicotyledonate, subclasses Polypetalae, where the petals are free, and series Caliciflorae, order Rosales, and family Leguminosae. The family Leguminosae is one of the largest families of flowering plants. So it is further divided into three subfamilies, that is Papilionoideae, Caesalpinoideae, and Mimosoideae. The subfamily Papilionoideae is considered as Papilionaceae. It is also known as Fabaceae. So we shall see the characters in detail. About the habit, the members are either herbs, shrubs, or trees. Some climbers are also present in this family. Roots, normally it is taproot system, and we can see the presence of root nodules. These root nodules contain bacteria which fix atmospheric nitrogen. Thus, they increase the soil fertility. The leaves are either simple or compound leaves. Mostly it is trifoliate. We can see the trifoliate leaves where the leaf base is slightly swollen. That is the presence of pulvinate leaf base. And in some members, leaves are modified into tendrils, either partly or wholly. And the leaves are arranged alternately and mostly they are stipulate. Next, about the floral characters. Inflorescence, generally it is racemose type of inflorescence. In some members, flowers are solitary and axillary. The flowers are bisexual and they are strongly zygomorphic. That is, we can cut the flower into equal half only through a single plane. And the flowers are pentamerous and they are hypogynous or perigynous and bracteate. Calyx consists of 5 sepals. The sepals are fused or gamosepalous. And the aestivation is valvate. Next, about the characters of corolla. Corolla consists of 5 petals and the petals are free or polypetalous condition. And the corolla is papilionaceous. Papilionaceous means it looks like a butterfly. It resembles a butterfly and it is mainly for attracting pollinators. And here we can see piston mechanism of pollination. And this papilionaceous corolla consists of 5 petals. The largest petal, which is posterior in position, is known as the standard petal or vexillum. Then there are 2 lateral petals, they are known as the wing petal or alae. Then there are 2 anterior petals which are fused to form a boat-like structure. They are known as the keel petals or carina. Inside this carina, we can see the essential whorls, that is the androecium and gynoecium. About the arrangement of petals, we can see the standard petal overlaps the wing petals and the wing petals overlapping the keel petal. This type of arrangement is known as descendingly imbricate aestivation. It is otherwise known as the vexillary aestivation. Next, about the androecium. Androecium consists of 10 stamens and they are either monadelphous or diadelphous condition. Monadelphous means the filaments of all 10 stamens are fused to form a single bundle. But in diadelphous condition, normally it is 9 plus 1 condition where the filaments of 9 stamens are fused to form one bundle while the one remains free. And the anthers are dithecous. Gynoecium consists of ovary, monocarpellary, unilocular with many ovules on marginal placentation. The style is generally simple, slightly bending, and the stigma is simple and capitate. Next, about the fruit. Fruit is a legume or pod. In Alicicarpus, we can see lumentum, and in Dalbergia, it is indehiscent fruit. We can see the floral diagram and floral formula. So next we pass on to the economic importance of the family. The members are major sources of pulses. For example, Cicer arietinum, it is the common Bengal gram. Then the glycine max, it is the soybean. Then Arachis hypogea is the groundnut. And some of the members are used as vegetables. Example, Dolichos leblab, that is the bean. Some are timber yielding. Example, Dalbergia latifolia, it is a common rosewood. Some are sources of dyes. Example, Butea monosperma, it is known as the flame of forest. Then another one is Indigofera tinctoria. Fibers are obtained from some members like Crotalaria gentiana. Some are used as ornamentals. Example, Sesbania grandiflora, Erythrina indica. Then some possess medicinal properties, especially wound healing properties like Poncamia glabra, Desmodium triflora. So we shall see the important characters of family Papilionaceae. Presence of taproot with root nodules. The leaves shows pulvinate leaf base. Racemose type of inflorescence. The flowers are strongly zygomorphic. Papilionaceous corolla with descendingly imbricate aestivation. Monadelphous or diadelphous stamens. Monocarpellary unilocular ovary with marginal placentation. And fruit is a legume. So these are the important identifying key characters of family Papilionaceae. With this, we conclude this session. Thank you all.